We are in Viva Beijing on the 4th floor. We just happened to come off the street and come in here. And so the 4th floor is basically all for kids. You see the Adidas kids and young athletes, and there was like a daycare center back there. And then just a nice place to sit and relax over here for families. And then what's really crazy, they have a whole store just for Ultraman. What the heck? Just a freaking Ultraman store? Too crazy. We come to the 5th floor, and all of a sudden there's just like Wonderland. I don't know how to describe it. They built some giant thing on the 5th floor. It's like you're in a wondrous, ancient Chinese sort of thing. You see, this is the Chinese stuff we come to see. We're in some old Chinese place. I don't
you go ahead.
The name. Huh? No,
I don't want to be in your video.
What?
银锭桥，刚才咱们走的那个胡同呢，叫银锭桥胡同。
往哪走啊？ 啊！啊，我说啊！哎呀妈呀！
哎呀，常常你也没去。
Like this?
Yeah.
所以我就还是在这儿瞧。你还是拿你那个本儿啊？然后他就说体验这个。
都可以来，坐里边让营业开始啊！没有吃饭的往里走都可以来。对，9位美女，哎，往这儿，往这儿走，过来可以来。都在屋里。
This store has been selling, or they sell traditional Beijing cakes. The style is from back in 1773.
经典苏式月饼，用自300年手工工艺。
Nice. Hold on, I'll take it.
做小的防风要不要吃了？不要。是吧？给我猕猴。
Oh, you want me to hold your snack? Sorry, Ham, I got caught up in the video. Action. Tell me what this is. I thought you said it was all organ meats. Oh. That's the organ meat? Yeah. This is the noodles. Oh yeah, the hot pot noodles, yeah. You tell me, Hem.
Hello，这是放放啊。 张在那儿呢。
Yeah, stinky tofu. Smells pretty good. See the red line? It's so red, it tells me I'm recording. Then when I stop.
离这儿可近啊。
哦，那咱们也。
对，这里吧，这个后面。 不用。
The Chinese men always wondering why I'm filming cars. They always looking at me like I'm strange. One guy he's like, why are you doing that? I couldn't understand what he said, but I assume he's saying, why are you doing that?